Hi. We're gonna play really easy obby, but I can't touch the color yellow, and I can't jump.
Let's go!
I'm not jumping, so not out, dumbass.
Doesn't count because it's mustard.
Doesn't count because I never said I could touch rainbow. Are you dumb?
And it doesn't count as jumping because I'm not pressing the jump button.
It doesn't count. It's yellow hot sauce, and I never said I couldn't touch yellow hot sauce. Oh, 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 oh.
Primer anedto jump.
Doesn't count because he farted and it made me hop.
Première nito jump again.
It count because a ghost picked me up. Yemi not jumping. Yemi flying, dumbass.
BC, I have to go because I hear shaking in the house in my parents' bedroom.